Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to remove your gel nails or acrylic nails at home. Due to the coronavirus, a lot of salons unfortunately have had to close, and this has left a lot of you guys at home with your nail enhancements still on, and of course we're unable to remove them. So I hope everyone is safe and well and staying at home if they can, and hopefully this will help you guys out if you're in a position now where you need to take your nails off at home. So I'll go through the products that you're going to need first. I will have this all typed up and at the side of the screen for you guys to see as well, and I'll put it typed up on my Instagram as well. You can get me on there at 𝗿𝗶𝗹𝗀𝗆spaces so that you can screenshot that if you want to have it handy. I will leave links in the description box below for everything that I'm going to be showing you today. These are all Magpie products and you will be able to get your hands on them if you go onto the website and put an order. You don't need to be a professional to get these products. So the first thing you're going to need is your remover. So you need an acetone based remover to get rid of your nail. If you cannot get your hands on the remover that I'm showing you today, all my clients are Magpie clients, so Magpie's remover is going to work best for you guys. But if you're not one of my clients or you know your tech doesn't use Magpie, then ideally get in touch with them and see what they recommend, but acetone is what you're looking for. Get to a shop and find some acetone. That is what is going to eat through your product. Files that I'm going to be using today are the 𝗿𝗶𝗹𝗀𝗆 file and the 𝗿𝗶𝗹𝗀𝗆 buffer, and I'm also going to be using the 240. If you're not buying this from Magpie, again, it's going to be limited to what you can get your hands on. Any file will do the job, it just might take a bit longer. So you're looking to feel the file and feel that it's got a good grit, you know, it's nice and rough. And that's going to be your step one. You're going to use this to remove the top coat of the gel, and then you're going to use your acetone. What you're going to need is tin foil, and you're also going to need cotton pads. So again, you should be able to pick this up from any shop, but if you get on the Magpie ones, they've got these handy little wraps that have got the tin foil and the cotton pad already. You're also going to need a cuticle tool or an orange root stick. So this is the Magpie cuticle tool, and this is what you're going to use to gently get that gel off of the nail. And I need to stress, you need to be so gentle when you're doing this because you don't want to wreck your nails. So the first thing that you are going to do is you're going to use your 𝗿𝗶𝗹𝗀𝗆 file, and you are going to remove your top coat from the nail, okay? So you're going to file the whole nail and you're going to remove that surface shine. I will do a video of this so that you guys can see to the side. You want the whole nail to be cloudy, okay? If there's any top coat left on that nail, the acetone isn't going to eat through it. So whatever enhancement you've got on, acrylic, gel, you need to make sure that you filed the top coat off so that that acetone can eat your enhancement. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to get your remover and you are going to totally soak your pad in remover, okay? You need a lot of remover for this, especially if you've got acrylic enhancements. You know, some people will rather soak them, but you will get it off this way as well. It just might take you a bit longer. So really saturate your cotton pads and whatever method you're using. For these cotton pads, you know, you can cut them in half or into quarters so that you'll get more for your nails, because you could be sat there doing this a couple times depending on, you know, what enhancement you've got on. Make sure that you soak your cotton pad in it, and you're going to leave that on for 10 to 15 minutes. Once you have let that sit, then you are going to remove your wrap and you're gently, super gently going to use your cuticle tool or orange wood stick, whatever you're using, and file down, you're going to push down the nail, okay? You should not be using pressure for this. You should literally just be flaking and crumbling. You're just gently pushing it away. If you don't have this tool, you can just go over with your file. Just gently go over it until the loose gel or whatever has come off. Then what you're going to do is you're going to repeat your last step, okay? You're going to re-soak your pads, you're going to re-wrap, make sure it's wrapped nice and tight, and you're going to leave it on again for another 10-15 minutes. You're going to take the pads off and then you're going to file again. If you've done this and you're happy that the enhancement has come off your nail, then you're going to go in with your buffer. I would recommend a 240 grit buffer for the natural nail, but if you don't have a 240, you can use a 180. Again, if you can't get your hands on a buffer, it's not the end of the world. This file should be nice and blunt by the time you get to your natural nails. So just be gentle when you are working on the natural nails and just give it a wee buff over just to make sure that all that product is gone. And then you are going to go in with your cuticle oil. Now you should be using cuticle oil daily regardless if you've got nails on or off. Again, you should be able to get this in your local shop, and you're just going to apply that on the nail and you're just going to massage it in, because the acetone, it will dry your nails out. You know, they're going to look very dry and cloudy when you take all this product off. Cuticle oil, again, you may or may not be able to get your hands on this, but this is just going to restore some moisture back into your nails once you've removed your gels. If you don't have cuticle oil, hand cream or something like that, see if you can get your hands on that. So hopefully you found this video helpful. I've currently packed up the whole salon. I'm going to take all my stuff home with me so that I can do some demos and tutorials for you guys. If you've got any requests for anything, then leave them down in the comments below, and I'll certainly have plenty of time to get them sorted out for you. Again, I hope everyone is safe and well and staying at home if they can. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll hopefully see you soon. Bye.